Welcome back to AlphaStockAI channel, where we break down the stock market with deep analysis and smart investing insights. Today, we are diving into two of the most talked about fintech giants, Coinbase and Robinhood. We'll analyze their latest earnings, profitability trends, and future growth prospects to determine which stock could be the better buy for investors. All data in this analysis comes from AlphaStockAI.com, your go-to platform for professional stock analysis. Let's get started. Let's start with Coinbase. They reported their Q4 2024 earnings on February 13, 2025, and the numbers were nothing short of impressive. Revenue surged to $6.6 billion, more than doubling year over year. Adjusted EBITDA hit $3.3 billion, marking 2 consecutive years of profitability. Subscription services revenue, including USDC yield and staking, jumped 64% to $2.3 billion. And here's a big one. Trading volume skyrocketed to $439 billion, up 137% quarter over quarter. Coinbase is riding high on the pro-crypto regulatory environment and expanding its global footprint, with 19% of its Q4 revenue now coming from international markets. The company's focus on expanding derivatives trading, growing its staking business, and increasing crypto utility suggests even more upside potential in 2025. Now, let's talk about Robinhood, which reported its earnings on February 12, 2025. The company crossed the $1 billion mark in quarterly revenue, with full year 2024 revenue reaching $3 billion, a 58% increase from 2023. Adjusted EBITDA grew 160% to $1.4 billion, with a solid 48% margin. Robinhood also achieved full-year profitability for the first time, reporting an EPS of $1.56. Customer engagement remains strong, with net deposits climbing to $50 billion, reflecting nearly 50% growth year over year. The number of Robinhood Gold subscribers soared to 2.6 million, an 80% jump, proving that users are willing to pay for premium features. Looking ahead, Robinhood is doubling down on product innovation with new derivatives products, crypto expansion, and further international growth. Both companies have demonstrated impressive financial turnarounds, but how do they compare in terms of profitability? Let's break it down. Coinbase has seen an incredible swing in net profit margin, jumping from negative 10.21% to a staggering 56.84%. This signals strong operational efficiency and cost management. Robinhood, on the other hand, has also improved but remains slightly behind, peaking at 90.34%. Both companies boast strong gross profit margins, with Coinbase averaging around 86% and Robinhood slightly behind at 85%. When it comes to operating profit margin, Coinbase's recent surge to 45.52% suggests the company is running a tighter and more profitable operation. Robinhood, while improving, has reached a high of 54.83%, but its reliance on transaction-based revenue means margins could fluctuate. Return on assets and return on equity tell us how efficiently these companies are using their capital. Coinbase leads with a 5.73% return on assets and 12.56% return on equity, compared to Robinhood's 3.50% and 11.49%, respectively. Coinbase also edges out Robinhood in return on capital employed at 7.08% versus 6.88%. So, which stock presents the better opportunity? For long-term investors, Coinbase appears to be the stronger pick. The company has demonstrated a clear path to profitability, diversified revenue streams, and strong international expansion. With regulatory tailwinds supporting the crypto sector, Coinbase could see continued growth. Robinhood, while growing rapidly, remains heavily reliant on transaction-based revenue. However, its push into derivatives, premium subscriptions, and international markets offers long-term potential. Investors looking for exposure to fintech innovation should keep an eye on how Robinhood scales its non-trading revenue streams. Short-term traders might find Coinbase more attractive due to its recent momentum in profitability and revenue growth. But Robinhood's stock could see a boost if its new product rollouts perform better than expected. Both Coin and Hood have strong growth stories, but Coinbase currently has the edge in profitability and long-term positioning. Of course, the market is always evolving, and regulatory changes can impact both companies. If you're serious about making an informed investment decision, check out AlphaStockAI.com for more comprehensive data and stock analysis. What do you think? Will Coinbase maintain its dominance, or is Robinhood the better long-term bet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dive stock analysis. See you in the next video.